Welcome to the All-Star Math Video Tutor. This is Mrs. Dorlis, and the topic of this lesson is graphing slope-intercept form. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at a coordinate plane here and the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. M represents the slope of the line in this equation, and b represents the y-intercept. Now let's take a look at an equation such as y equals 2x plus 3, and we can see that the 2 next to 2x represents the slope, and positive 3 is the y-intercept. So let's take this information and write it down. M equals 2, and b, the intercept, is 3. Now what we're going to do is take this information and put it on the coordinate plane. So we can see that the intercept is 3. So let's put it at positive 3 on the y-intercept. And then from there we're going to move. So we began at 3 and then we're going to move. We know that slope is represented by the fraction y over x. And if we change this to a fraction, it becomes 2 over 1. So from this spot we'll go up positive 2 and over 1. Again, up positive 2, positive 1. And then we're going to draw our line through those points like so. And so we've graphed our slope-intercept form of this line. Let's take a look at another one. 2x plus y equals 4. Now this one isn't necessarily in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. We need to get the y by itself. So what we're going to do is use inverse operations to move the 2x over to the other side. And that way these will cancel, leaving us with y equals negative 2x plus 4. Now we're in the same format, and let's identify what is the slope, what is the intercept. The slope of the line is negative 2, the intercept is 4. The slope of the line being negative 2, we would change it to a fraction to be negative 2 over 1. So let's start to graph that. We begin at positive 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y-axis, and from there we're going to move negative 2, which will be down 2, and to the right 1. Again, down 2, to the right 1. Now we're going to take a line and connect our points right through there. And this will be the graph of our line. And we can see that this is true. It's going downhill, it's negative, and we did get a negative slope. Let's take a look at one more, a little bit more complicated. We're going to change this, and we need to get again into the same format, y equals mx plus b. So let's subtract the 2x from both sides, and we get 8y equals negative 2x plus 16. Then we divide everything by 8 and simplify, where we get y equals negative 1/4 x plus 2. We identify the slope being negative 1 over 4 and the intercept being positive 2. So we start at positive 2 and make our point. Now we're going to go down 1 and to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We could do it again. Down 1 to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit flatter of a line. We're going to draw our line through these points. And now we have graphed on the slope-intercept form. That is the end of this All-Star Math video lesson.